Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing video of an LED touch lamp. This is a table lamp. This is an LED table lamp which we can place it on our study table or the computer desk or the work desk anywhere. And this is it provides multi-functionality. Like it also has here you can see this is a wireless charger, and this is the lamp which gives light. So let me go ahead and open this for you guys. Oops. Okay, so this is a thank you card from the seller, and we have received this. And let me open the card. So this is the USB wire we have received, and this is the lamp. We can open it in this way, and we can place it like this. Maybe we can bend a little, or we can use it. And let us see the user manual. Insert the USB terminal into the outlet of the power adapter. Okay, so let me show you the outlet of the power adapter. So we need to insert this into this and connect it to a socket. After powered on, lightly touch the induction switch to turn on the light. Long press to enter the infinitely dimming mode. Short press to freely switch the lighting modes: natural light or white light. So this lamp is having three kinds of brightness. That is white. One is white light, one is warm light, and the other is mixed light. There are three kinds of brightnesses. So there are multiple. These are the multiple modes, and this lamp is of eye caring and energy efficient design. The eye protecting smart table lamp has a CRL of more than 80. The lighting is more natural and more soft, so it doesn't cause any harm to our eyes by using this in the night time. It will not fatigue your eyes even after a long period of use. And the LED desk lamp also has a feature of 120 degrees rotating lamp head and a 90 degrees adjustable lamp body, which can provide more flexible illumination. So this can be rotated for around 90 degrees, and this can be bent. This is the lamp body, and this is the lamp head. So both are having the flexibility of bending. So this can be bent, and this can be bent, and this can also be bent in this way. So whenever we are not using it, we can just fold this completely like this, and we can fold it like this, and just we can store it in a small box. So this saves lot of space, so whenever we are not using it. Now let me go ahead and on this. Let me open this and connect it to the power socket. Now I've connected this lamp to the power socket, and we can see the red light here that it is getting charged. And when we want to turn on, let me show you. So this is one of the light, and this is one of the light, and this is one of the light. So these are the three different kinds of lights which we get, and when we press it again, then it turns off automatically. So this is when we long press, so it comes to an infinitely dimming mode. So when we long press, you can see right that the brightness of the light has reduced, and when we again long press, the brightness has increased. So when we long press it, it either reduces the dimming light or else it increases the dimming light. And there is one more best feature for this desk lamp, that is the wireless charger. So here you can see the symbol of the wireless charging. So whenever you place a mobile here, it will be charged automatically, which is completely wireless. And this is the exceptional feature for this, very good feature. So the main features, the main four features for this lamp is the touch switch. This is the touch switch, and another feature is a wireless charger and a USB charging, and also the eye care. So this light is not at all harmful to your eyes, and the product is of very reasonable price, which is 26.99 on amazon.com. The brand name is Harmonic LED desk lamp. I'll be providing you the link in the description below. You can go through the link, and the light is very awesome. Whenever we want to work during our night time or study, then I think this light will be helpful a lot. Thank you.